a very big thing, very pertinent, I think very important, and I think extremely warm and sweet too, for this kind of an idea to come up, and I'm glad Tata Tea has done it, but for me, I think Balki sir, he called me, and he said that I have this idea which is really big in its, the way it's been thought out, and hopefully once it's followed through, it'll be even nicer. More than big, it'll just be a cooler thing to do.
It was conceived in Amir's mind. Amir Jaleel, who's our National Creative Director, he had this thought one day, he came and told me, and I said, this is a huge idea, this is an absolutely big idea, we must definitely do it. Started as simply as that.
Slower than that.
To start with, it's an extremely noble thought, and we are very happy to be associated with this. We had 2 days to set this shoot up. Shah Rukh is doing a feature film over here in Panchgani, so we came here, set this up. We needed a cozy atmosphere, so we are here, come all the way to Panchgani, but if you see the location that we've chosen, it's a very quiet corner.
Because you said so much average, and so that's why I'm just keeping it carried, like, isn't all we karna hai.
In that we do all we can.
Okay,
as a crew. As a crew.
Yeah.
As Tata Tea, we've always believed in doing walking the talk. So women's rights and respect for women, we want one act that will come through like that. It's a matter of changing not just the mindset, but actually making one real change in life. And Shah Rukh basically comes in every film. His name is first and the heroine's name is second. In this film, Shah Rukh is going to promise the world that from today onwards, his name is going to be second and the heroine's name is going to be first.
मैं तो कोशिश करूँगा कि हर producer से बोल दूँ. With this, I'll have to do less films, with titles in terms of Badshah starring Shah Rukh Khan in an ass. But jokes apart, I'll tell everyone. मेरी अपनी जो production है उसमें hopefully it'll start with the first one we have coming out inshallah is Chennai Express. So Deepika Padukone is the star in it. So we'll start with that. ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि जो मर्द प्रोटैगनिस्ट है, हीरो है, उसका नाम पहले होना चाहिए. आई थिंक ऑर्डर ऑफ अपीयरेंस इज़ गुड, अल्फ़ाबेटिकली इज़ गुड, एंड I like women, so I don't mind women being right in the beginning for every film that I do, but my production's 100%. I'm making की बहुत बोल दिया आगे.
First take, I'll just push her to the right. Yeah. Okay, ready. Order, sir.
Mark.
Roll camera.
Take one. Rolling.
Background action.
Hi, Shah Rukh. आज Women's Day है and women love you.
Yes, and I love women. Women should not be equal to me. स्त्री को पुरुष के बराबर नहीं है.
Fine. Next time.
I've always believed women have been extremely important to me because I lost my father very early, so I've been brought up by my mother. Mother had 3 sisters who had no boy child in the family, so they really spoiled me, my masis. Then growing up, my sister, because my mother expired, so I was hugely supported by her and learned how to love in the most innocent way from her. Then my wife, of course. Before it could turn any other way, I have a little daughter who is beautiful, and I hope she becomes an actress. Everything that I am, I truly believe that the biggest part of my success, apart from the directors and producers, in my career goes to the women in my films. When I say it, I'm sometimes tongue-in-cheek, and I joke about it, about girls and women, and say I love them and stuff. But truly, deeply, and extremely gratefully, I love all the women in my life, all the professional ones who work with me.
This is the 100th year of cinema. And what can you do for cinema? Yes, we're doing a lot of films, but this is a gesture. For 100 years, we've been taking it for granted that the hero's name comes first. Who told them? Why? So why not the heroine? So this is a thought that just suddenly hit us, and we said, this is the perfect year, perfect time to do this. And what better time to do it than launch it on Women's Day on the in the 100th year of cinema? It's fabulous.
Yeah, it'll create more problems at home. I'll have more issues in terms of she behaving even more superior. So no, but I haven't told her. Actually, अभी मैंने सिर्फ director को बोला, Rohit Shetty को, and he was very happy with the thought. Like this as is. You want me to do it here for Dunia also? Just see this?
Yeah. Fatapat.
Rolling.
Camera.
Take one.
Action. Oh, a lovely take, yeah. Hair, how beautiful it is.
I feel we have hit a sweet spot with this powerful symbolic act, an act which can awaken all of us.
I do this and then...
Historically, the work we have done for Jagore has been an attempt to make us individuals look inwards and be the change we wish to see.
बड़े बदलाव के लिए हर एक को छोटी शुरुआत करें।
One more, Shahrukh.
उसको शुरुआत पे रखो। बड़े बदलाव के लिए हर एक को छोटी शुरुआत करनी पड़ेगी। छोटी शुरुआत करनी पड़ेगी।
We need to demonstrate and show respect to women is absolutely at the core of it. And therefore this Choti Shuruaat of standing up and being heard and making a statement, I think is a very positive. And the fact is, a person of that stature is standing up to say it can only escalate. The big thing is to say that, listen, they are doing it. What kind of a pledge do I need to take to demonstrate that I believe in it? And I am going to demonstrate by doing A, B, C, whatever it is. But that call is really me as a collective, me as an individual that I'm going to take to make that difference. But the fact is, we just have to do it. And the time is opportune right now to make it happen.
बहुत कम लोगों को ये मालूम है actually मैंने पहला अपना मुंबई में जो advertising शुरू किया था. I think I modeled for Tata many years ago. Just 20 years ago. I'll try and take that film out of YouTube somewhere. Then I've lately been seeing their ads, the last couple of years, and Jagore is extremely hard-hitting with a nice sense of humor too. I like the politician one. First one I think it was 2 years back or something. I think it's an extremely nice, and especially with tea, to get up in the morning and actually get up and do something in life.